So I have this area where my dog pees, and he pees a lot, so these pee pads just don't work that great, but I think I have a solution. So I am going to try out these disposable bed pads that the company sent to me. I am going to use them for my dog's pee pad because we just got a rescue, and my rescue pees a lot, and a lot of the puppy pads and urine pads aren't very thick, so the pee ends up going right through them. So I am going to try one of these. So these pads are 40 by 36. They're huge. As you can see, compared to my other pee pads there, these are huge. So I am going to be able to replace my pee pads with this one large one, and then I won't have to use 4 smaller ones. So I think it'll save me time and hopefully money. If you have boy dogs, you will understand putting the pee pad up the side of the wall or wherever they pee. So I will do that with these as well. I usually tape these, but just for demonstration purposes. So yeah, that will be nice because he lifts his leg up and tries to pee on the shower curtain, which is why I have the shower curtain so high. And then I just put a pad there, so when he does go to the bathroom, it gets caught by the pad. Anyway, these are nice and thick. Anyway, these are made for bed pads, but you know, if you have a elderly parent or something that maybe has some accidents, or even a child that has some accidents, these are nice large pads to use, but I'm using them for my puppy pads. Anyway, I hope that helps.